Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to be walking through how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So in order to connect your Mailchimp with your Shopify, you need to have an Mailchimp account, and now you have to open Shopify App Store. So type shopify.com/apps and now search here Mailchimp, and open this app and click on add app, and now select your account and click on install app, and click on connect. And now here you have to enter your Mailchimp account username and password, then click on login. Scroll down and click on allow. And now select audience. And click on Shopify Customer Tag Manager, and you can enter tag here, and you can turn on or off the double opt-in setting for how to 1 minute. So I'm going to disable right now. And merge tags, and now optionally you can assign Shopify data to Mailchimp merge tags, and now click on sync audience. Continue to overview. So that's it. The integration will start to sync your Shopify store information to Mailchimp. The time it takes to sync depends on account data and the number of orders in your store. Once the sync is complete, you will see totals next to your products, customer and order listings on the Mailchimp app page in your Shopify store. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links and descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.